Wagwan peeps, Ricardo Campbell here again, millionaire. In 3 years, check my business plan. You can be a millionaire in 3 years. Buy 100 acres of farmland or lease. Grow food. Get you also a marijuana license if possible. Grow food. Increase your farm life. You can contact me, investors needed, 876-376-1027. That's Jamaican number. Or you can call my Florida number, 786-206-1544. Licensed real estate broker, Florida. Licensed realtor also in Jamaica. Name of the company or the website is HoshinRealtors.com. HOSHING Realtors, REALTORS.com. Go to HoshinRealtors.com. Look for Ricardo Campbell. Millionaire in 3 years. Check my business plan. Check my business plan.